Now I am going to show how to practice exhibition Flair second sequence. Move number 1 around behind the neck, double flip with bottle, same hand catch like this. 1 and 2. When you are doing this move, do with leg movement. When I am doing this one, my right leg should be right side front and move left leg towards right and turn your head position towards left side and do around the shoulder, next and turn, split the bottle and shaker like this, grab shaker reverse grip and bottle also reverse grip, body, snatch and remove, reverse grip around the neck and swipe through under the shaker, double flip, straight catch, twist thumb roll, double flip like this and do around the shoulder. When you are doing around the shoulder, just shaker grip change like this, twist shaker like this, around the shoulder, body hold like this, reverse grip, around the shoulder, reverse grip like this. Same move, do like this. When you are doing around the shoulder, just bring your left hand above the right hand. Okay? And pour into this shaker. Just rotate your hand like what we done in zigzag pouring. Same like that. Pour. Done. Now I am going to show with glass bottle. Same. Behind the head. Next, split the bottle, shaker and snatch. And under the shaker, swipe through, double flip, straight catch, swipe through, and twist thumb roll, double flip. And when you are doing around the shoulder for pouring, just we need to twist like this, shaker reverse grip, and pour into this shaker, cut like this.